Hey, and welcome to this organic YouTube marketing mini course. I'm really glad you're here. I'm Morgan, and over the last 8 years, I've completely mastered organic YouTube channel growth and marketing by growing channels in a dozen different niches, getting hundreds of millions of views, and by coaching YouTube entrepreneurs on how to turn organic YouTube traffic into leads for their business. And in this training, I'm going to walk you step by step through the 5 essentials of building a YouTube channel that grows organically and brings in warm leads for your business. Okay, we'll start by looking at what kind of content you should actually create, because knowing what to post is the first step to attracting the right audience. Once you've got that down, we'll then look at how to connect with your viewers through the way you speak and how to package your videos with strong titles and thumbnails so that people will actually want to click on them. From there, we'll take a quick look at the YouTube algorithm, and I'll share some simple insights that will help you decide how often to post and how long your video should be, so you're not just guessing. Next, we'll move on to YouTube Analytics. This is where you'll see what's working, what's not, and how to adjust your strategy as you grow. And finally, we'll cover how to turn that traffic into leads by guiding viewers into your sales funnel with really clear calls to action. So by the end of this mini course, you'll know exactly what to post, how to reach your audience, and how to turn your viewers into potential customers, all without running ads. So let's get started.